Synonyms for peaceful, adjective.
Calm.
Tranquil.
Quiet.
Soothing. Another synonym for peaceful. Synonyms for awful, adjective.
Terrible.
Dreadful. Horrible. Despicable. Another synonym for awful. Synonyms for comfortable, adjective.
Cozy.
Snug. Pleasant. Relaxed. Another synonym for comfortable. Synonyms for cheery, adjective. Upbeat.
Sunny.
Chipper. Positive. Another synonym for cheery. Synonyms for great, adjective. Excellent. Impressive. First-rate.
Brilliant.
Another synonym for great. Synonyms for eager, adjective.
Keen.
Excited. Intent. Enthusiastic. Another synonym for eager. Synonyms for angry, adjective. Annoyed. Sore. Ticked off. Enraged. Another synonym for angry. Synonyms for prosperity, noun. Success. Well-being. Fortune. Welfare. Another synonym for prosperity. Synonyms for loud, adjective. Noisy. Deafening. Piercing. Booming. Another synonym for loud. Synonyms for security, noun.
Safety.
Refuge. Asylum. Protection. Another synonym for security. Synonyms for very. Very big. Extremely/extreme. I am extremely busy right now. Please call me later. Exceptionally. You are an exceptionally talented musician. Immensely, they are immensely grateful for your help. Really. Susanna is a really good client. She is helpful and clear about what she wants.
Exceedingly.
You not only helped me move last weekend, but you also took me out to dinner. You are an exceedingly generous friend. Tremendously. Brenda studied business in graduate school and then opened her own clothing store. Now, it is tremendously successful. It was particularly hot last summer. There were many days that were over 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Very busy. Synonyms for important, adjective. Significant. Eventful. Meaningful. Momentous. Another synonym for important. Synonyms for make. Verb.
Create.
Invent.
Build.
Produce. Another synonym for make. Synonyms for powerful, adjective.
Strong.
Mighty. Influential. Commanding. Another synonym for powerful.